G'day folks, Frank here from Lloyd's Classic Car Auctions. It's my pleasure to introduce this 1980 Ford Falcon XE S-Pac. It's fitted with the legendary Mike Vine Stage 2 Turbo. I can't even tell you how good this car is. How about I just show you? Let's jump in and have a drive. All right folks, here we go. The Ford Falcon XE S-Pac Stage 2 Mike Vine Turbo. It really is an iconic, rare piece of Aussie muscle. You know, I'm going to do my best to sort of describe the car for you, but my words won't do it justice. I promise you, folks, this car is better than I can sort of tell you. You got to come and have a look at it. You got to come and have a smell of it. Original interior. It's been professionally restored, but it does have that original interior. It looks like new. It's quite incredible. Drives awesome. It's so quick. Again, really hard to explain, but this thing is an absolute rocket and just so much fun to drive. It doesn't have power steering, but handles really well. Factory aircon, gets freezing cold. We've actually had to turn it off here on the Gold Coast today. And professionally rebuilt by Mike Vine himself. If we talk about mechanically, spot on. In the last 12 months, it's been to Mike Vine a couple of times just to, you know, get that touch-up service, make sure it's spot on performance-wise, and wow, they really know what they're doing. It is absolutely ridiculous how fast this car is. It just sounds so good. Through the gears, it's so smooth, the clutch is good, brakes are good. Just an incredible car. And folks, going under the hammer, August Classic Car Auction will be one of the highlights, certainly for the Ford fans. Just a rare find in Australia, and we're so proud to have it down at Lloyd's. I'll see you guys at the auction.